guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are actually with my companion today. Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Can you not? Anyways, today we are trying to aim on more cheaper units that doesn't need green laser. So we are using shotgun cameraman. Okay.
And Santa.
Yeah, we always using Santa. And because we might need medic, let's equip medic.
No, we're equipping speed therapy.
I gave you that. Be grateful.
Why do equip medic when we have the best healer in the game?
Because I did.
Yeah. Game 1 load.
I want this load. Okay, there we go.
This is like the dog. This is like how dog loads the door too. Or it breaks. Forever.
And of course we're gonna skip the intermission. And guess what we're gonna do? Play just shotgun cameraman.
No, you're not. I'm gonna become PXHD. Why did you place it?
Because I did.
This is why I'm gonna place mine.
Bro.
You're not. What are you doing? Why are you making those weird sounds?
Because I'm bored.
Stop with that.
Yes, we do it. Oh! That's the bad thing about shotgun cameraman. It doesn't have any blocks. Yep. Guess what? Shotgun cameraman level 2. Yeah. And of course we're gonna spam this. Spam this single unit. Okay, the worst mythic in the game. Not the worst unit in the game, the worst mythic.
The worst unit in the game is Catwoman.
I'm actually a large scientist.
Actually, stop being sick.
Roblox grinders.
Yeah.
I connected the shotgun's heads.
What? Maybe you're doing something else.
Let me.
Why are you not selling me, bro? Start selling. I'm about to play some Fortnite.
Oh, I feel like I should do this. I will actually place it. I will. Where I'm standing right now.
And you will die.
How would we die? How would we die if I place my shotgun there?
get slapped.
Oh yeah, true. The Santas could do that. Why haven't I placed mine?
Cause you don't.
I'm poor.
And you broke it. Imagine a shotgun at level 4.
Imagine not having double guns.
Why is the screen white? Why is the screen white?
But have you never noticed that on shotgun? And guys, after this, I feel like we should take a rest from this playlist. And guess what? Start a new one. Doors video!
You forgot to auto skip.
Why did I forget that game? What? Just the vanish with shotgun, it is very cheap.
Is shotgun on crack? Shotgun on drugs.
Did you really have to say that out of all things?
The screen's white. What do you expect me to say?
That's a lens.
Why is it white? Has it been taking drugs? Some illegal.
Is that actually a question, or are you just trying to make a joke?
I'm making a joke. Ready? You not know what a joke is?
Give me one gun!
What's
Give me one gun, please. Can I have one gun? Please, can I have one gun, shorty? Shorty. I want to make it into a shorty.
A shorty from Rival?
Yep.
I destroyed you with? I destroyed you.
When I said that, I said, let me up, grip! Yippee! Finally, I can upgrade it. Stomp, stomp, stomp,
You
stomp.
said Donald Duck language.
The heads are connected again. The heads are connecting again.
They're having some sussy business.
Did you? Did you really have to say that?
Yes.
Okay then.
I'm on vacation.
Our bubblegum.
The only thing is, I'm only gonna place one speaker up agile.
I'm only allowed to play 2 medics.
I'm only gonna place speaker repair jump. Heal them.
Why is it in the map? Why is the range in the map?
I don't know. Every single time I play speaker repair jump, it's like that. You farting?
No, that's my mouse.
What are you doing?
There we go.
Get
To be honest, viewers, don't comment your. I'm gonna say my wave. You can comment whatever wave you think the shotgun's gonna get to. I personally don't think it's gonna beat the green laser and chariot. To be honest,
I personally don't think it's gonna beat the last video we did.
yeah, skeleton cameraman, wave 47, little bro.
Upgraded mech. We have not tried out yet.
We really do gotta try that one out.
Even though we already have, but you discarded it.
I messed up the video, alright? Did you really have to say that during another video?
Yes. Placing it in the speaker of Paddock's face.
Oh my god, they're being spam slapped.
Oh,
Yeah, so we already know the worst mythic cannot actually beat Green Laser and Chariot because of. Wait. Wait, Nash. We might actually do good with this. No, because.
I have my SFX on. My ears are hurting a lot.
Shotgun cameraman, okay. I don't think it will get the. What? Whoa. The chariot couldn't defeat the flying bustles that last time, so I wonder how it defeat. Oh. So I think it might actually be tied with chariot and green. But with a lot more.
What?
Yeah, I'm actually not kidding. I think it might be tied with green. Yeah, it's tied with green and char. Yeah, it's tied. It's tied.
I'm my shoelace.
I feel, and remember, no selling. Why is it hitting them? Oh, no. Okay, let's see if this max out one will actually beat the dual blade. Okay, we can survive. Okay, it beat Green Laser and Chariot, which is surprising. Very surprising. So, yeah.
Now on 200 health. We're basically in Minecraft hardcore mode, right?
For the flying bushel toilet, I don't think it's actually going to beat it. Yep, GG's.
GG's.
Unless they actually get to kill it before it can get to our base. Not... What? It actually killed one.
Speaker repaired Jones. Never mind.
It died to the parasites. Wave 33 for shotgun is actually quite good.
Even though we had help from Speaker repaired Jones.
I don't think it would have passed it if we didn't have any medics. And guess what? See you later.